So in March, it actually hit the trend line and then just went back up. And it never came back to meet this area in June. I was hoping that would actually do that in June or July. But yeah, we're checking out all social media stocks in July. And we're going to like compare prices. So starting with Facebook, right now it's at $2.39. I can't say this channel is valid anymore. So looking at it, it looks like it could start a drop at this point, but I really can't say where it's actually going with all this confusion at this point. So, but if it did, I would think potentially 170. If it did come, if you ever see it at one point, I would get it cheaper at that end, personally. But I'm not guaranteeing anything at all. And plus, let me put out a disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. So anything in this video is going to be strictly educational. And let's see, let's check out the foot index. Let's check the price here. Let's see if it's going higher or lower. So March was the last time it was that low. June, it's back down to 28 bucks for a second, but now it's at 34. So maybe you will potentially see a rise in value here. Looking at it, my hope is that it would actually come down to 28 or someday around 17 bucks. That's my hope anyways. But right now it is currently at 34 bucks. We just have to wait and see what time, if it actually does come to. But if it ever does come to like 20 bucks or lower, I will buy that personally. That's just me. I'm not saying do it, but do it at your own risk. Let's see, Pinterest. It looks like it's on more of a trend as we speak. So before I thought it was going to drop a little bit lower, but it's decided to keep going. So at this point, it's like, what can we see it doing right now? It just looks like it's trying to make an up move. Right now it's at 24 bucks. So we'll see what happens here when it comes to this. There isn't a lot of data on it either, so this is all we can like roll with at this point. And let me look. I'll just go to Snapchat to see its pricing. So I'm going to say, with coronavirus being what it is, these apps are getting more views. So my thoughts as with it getting more ad revenue, it would actually increase the price of them all. So I could actually see them pushing up further potentially. What it's looking like, Snapchat might actually be on its way down. But if it were to drop again, I would like to see it drop. I would hope that it comes around 8 bucks. If it ever does. Right now it's only at 23 bucks. So in time we'll see what happens. It's a what if at the moment, especially with Corona still being out there shutting businesses down. Things just got shut down again in California. Yeah, I would hope it would drop to about 14 or 8 bucks. But if it does, we'll see what happens. It will be That would be my favorite time to actually get in. But if it goes lower, we'll see what time. I don't know. But this Corona thing has just been shutting things down and making a lot of other businesses lose money. So with that, we end this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe.